welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today's video is a pack orders with me video, and if you don't know, I have an embroidery business and I post a lot of vlogs of the behind the scenes of me running my business. So if you like these type of videos, stick around maybe. And I'm packing orders on my bed. I usually pack them on my desk, so I don't know how the angle will look, but yeah, I have everything that I need on my bed. But okay, now that I've done my intro, let's just get started. Okay, so before I pack orders, I always print my shipping labels and packing slips, and I already did that. And I also pre-write all of my thank you cards because I do always leave a little handwritten note. So I have all of these ready. I always make sure to fold my tissue paper so that it leaves a little pocket that I can slip my thank you card, my freebies in. Okay, so the first order we're packing is a set. Literally so pretty. I love this watermelon color, and comes with matching shorts. To wrap them in twine just because I think it looks so pretty. I'd like for it to be a whole experience when you're opening a package from me. And then on the outside of the tissue paper, I put one of my logo stickers on it. I got these logo stickers from Sticker Mule. What I put in the little pocket right here is thank you card, the packing slip, a free sticker, which is my coffee sticker, and my business card. It just slips in like that, and it's so pretty. Now we're gonna put it into our mailer, and I got these mailers off Amazon, and they say obviously you have great taste. I love pink, so yeah. I have these bigger label stickers. They're also from Sticker Mule, and I just put them on the outside. And these stickers I actually made on my roller printer, and they just say, you're on YouTube, your package was made and packaged on YouTube. And then it just has my YouTube channel info so they can find the video. So yeah, it looks like this. So cute. Okay, first package is done. Okay, so moving on to the next order. Okay, so this is for Tiffany. Tiffany got the Stress Less t-shirt but in chalky mint, and she let me pick her thread, and I just think that yellow with chalky mint, I don't know, I just think it looks so good together. And on the back it just says, reminder, take it one step at a time. So yeah, super cute. And just like a little bit more about my business, if you're new here, everything is made to order. So everything that I can get done in a week, I usually send that out on Saturday, and then whenever I don't get done, we'll just go out the following week. So this is all that I got done this week, and I could have got more done, but Monday and Tuesday were not productive days. So yeah, it's Friday, by the way, so happy Friday. Okay, so this is one of our new Sun and Moon tees in the color Ivory. It's so cute and so soft. Comfort colors are such great quality. Okay, so I'm realizing that I made a mistake. Okay, so this is on the same order, so I will be right back. I need to fix this. Okay, so I just redid it like this. Okay, so next we have the beautiful Mom, I'm a Rich Man crew neck. The queen Cher said it best herself. I love this design, and they've been really popular lately. I always make sure to lint roll the freak out of the crew necks because they attract hair, and I have a cat, so it's much needed. But while I'm lint rolling, I did ask you guys to ask me some questions, and I got like 2. But it's okay. But anyways, I will answer some of those questions now. Okay, so the first question is, what is the hardest part about being an entrepreneur? I'd say that everything's on your own schedule, which honestly is a good thing, but the bad side to that is it's like either I'm always working and don't give myself enough breaks, or some days I'm not feeling motivated and I don't have a boss to be like, oh, you need to get this done, or else like I'd be fired. I don't have that pressure, and I guess that's kind of bad, like if you're not motivated to get things done. So you know, you just gotta make sure that you stay on top of things. And also I'd say like the legal things are kind of hard because I really just have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just winging it. So you know, I have to teach myself things because it's not like I went to school for it. So just making sure that I have everything done with like taxes and everything like that, I'd say that's pretty hard as well. Tamara also bought some stickers, so I'm just going to put them in this little clear plastic bag. She got the Manifest It sticker, the Drink More Water sticker, and she got the rainbow sticker. So I'm just going to slip that in with her card, and then I'm giving her the coffee sticker for free. Okay, so next order is one of our People with Kindness totes. Super cute. last order of the night is the He Is Not the Sun, You Are design. And I'm going to answer the last question while I lint roll this. Okay, so the question was, what keeps you motivated? And honestly, lately I haven't been that motivated, so I don't really know if I can answer this question. But honestly, motivation, it comes and goes. But like, obviously, if it's something that you love, the motivation will always come back. So like, I'm sorry if that wasn't really a good answer. But I honestly just haven't been that motivated lately. The motivation just comes and goes. This video off here. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting, because I hate to bore you guys. But yeah, I feel like videos like this, I'll be sure to do more. But anyways, if you have made it up to this point in the video, comment down below the package box emoji, just because I'd like to see you watch my videos all the way through, and it's kind of like an inside joke that only the besties know. So make sure you leave that down below. Okay, I love you guys and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. But okay, it's late. I'm gonna go now. It literally takes hours for me to package orders, but it's my favorite part. I love packaging orders. But anyways, I'm gonna go now. Y'all be safe. Love y'all. Take care. Okay, goodbye.